two perfect videos. Both of them disappeared into the ether. Okay, so now we've relaunched everything. Let's go on to the next step, which is symbols. We need to make some symbols, and you know, this is a panel. It's under Window, Window, Symbols. You open it up, and I'll show you how to tuck all this stuff together in the Illustrator Basics. I'm going to click on the first one, shift-click on the last one, throw these miserable default symbols away because we don't need them. I'm going to grab this square. If you can't grab the square, it means the layer's locked, and I'm going to drag it right into this folder, and I'm going to title it something clever like SQ for square, and change it from dynamic to static, and click OK. And then the E, I'm going to drag it over here, and I'm going to hit caps lock so I don't have to press that down. E, static symbol. I think you see how this is going to go, and it'd go a lot faster if I didn't have to try to talk while I was doing it. And the T, and I know it's pitiful, huh? Look how he fumbles when he has to talk. Okay, so now we have 6 symbols. We have the square and each of the letters. Now you have to have these 6 symbols, and you have to have these global colors, or the rest of this will not work. If you skip steps, if your letters aren't on their own layer, if your square isn't on its own layer, if your background's not on its own layer, this will not work. So you have to do this just like this. If any of that's missing, go back, because the rest won't work. You got it? Okay, since we did some stuff, I'm going to go ahead and hit Command S to save that and come back for some exciting, magical Illustrator shortcuts.